Ain't no getting that up, baby. By the time you try to pull all this up and rip that apart, I been came outside and put that woo on your ass.
Whole life a damn move, somebody getting on.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. You already know you kicking it with Kelvin, baby. We're coming to you live and direct, and as you can already see from this thumbnail, baby, we got another car vlog video. Yes sir, indeed we do. You already know, if you ain't hit that subscribe button, man, hit that subscribe button, baby, so you can make sure you can get all this good content when we drop it, man. We ain't playing with y'all. We dropping this stuff back to back, man. Keep bringing it. We got something very, very important to put on the Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Y'all already know the gremlin you see it right here in the background. We got to put something on there. As a matter of fact, it's overdue. It should have been put on there. We put a neutral strap cover on my Dodge Charger Scat Pack today. We got to put it on there because y'all boys got some real sticky, icky fingers, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, them fingers be sticky, icky. And I'm going to show y'all what y'all need to get done to make sure y'all secure y'all car down, so make it harder for people to try to steal it, man. Cause these people out here, they just taking these cars like it's candy at a candy store, man. I'm trying to tell you, I'm gonna show y'all how to put it on, what tools y'all need to get it done, and make sure y'all keep y'all cars safe and secure as much as possible. I'm gonna tell y'all, before you put this on here, it don't stop a thief. Like somebody, like an old person always told me, you can slow them down, but you can't stop them. It's all depend on what's going on, time of the moment, time of the day, who's around, how it play. You can remember that, y'all. You can slow them down, but you can't stop them. But I got something to stop them. Another thing, guys, if y'all ain't checked out my last video I posted, please make sure y'all go check that out, man. I installed some spark plugs on this car, and boy, I tell you, the work I had to put in to make sure I got the spark plugs good, but it's straight now. But I make sure I drop that down there in the description, so make sure you check out my last video I did with my spark plugs on this car. I'm showing y'all how to do this live and direct and get it done with no problems now. Keep telling y'all, tune in with me, man. Y'all be playing with the kid, man. Stop playing with me. But let's go ahead and get to this neutral strap cover, though. Most of y'all don't know, like I said, I got LED lights going all the way around. As you can see, the things going around right here. They're all around here. So the neutral strap cover, which is this, and it gotta go right here. So what these thieves doing, what y'all don't know of, and that's how they stealing your cars, what they doing is they coming over here and they popping this up. Once they move that out the way, you got a plate right here. What they doing is taking a key or something like a flathead screwdriver. Don't try this with mine, because you will get shot. Anywho, so they popping this up right here. See how that flipped out? And what them boys doing, they grabbing this right here, where my hand at. See a little red strap? I done tucked mine in, so I gotta dig it out. See that? They taking this and they pulling this right here. When they pull this all the way back, see it's getting tight now. When they pull this and it pop back, your car goes in neutral. Once that car go in neutral, goodbye, it's gone. So that's what them boys doing when they taking your cars, y'all. That's how they getting your shit. But today, we gonna stop that. Might not be able to stop it fully, but we gonna at least slow your ass down. So in the process of this, you wanna make sure you got you a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna show you everything what you need for this to get the job done and why this tool is for. So you need your flathead screwdriver. You're gonna need your T25, like this right here. Either this, or you're gonna need the bit that you can put inside of your screwdriver, just like this. It's up to you. I didn't have the one to put inside the screwdriver, so I got the one for my wrench. But either way, it's gonna get the job done. So you need a T25, a flathead, and whatever bolts that they send in here. And I think these are a Phillip, as you see right here. That's a Phillip. That's what the Phillip is for. No, I will not be keeping these screws in here. I'm making it harder for y'all. So if you try to mess with my shit, it's gonna be hard for you. You can just use no flathead and take my shit now. I'm gonna demonstrate y'all these, how to put them in there. And then you motherfuckers coming back out. I'm putting something else in here. Y'all have to find out what it is if y'all try it without getting shot. First of all, if you got lights down here, you're gonna do this first. Pull your lights out of the way because you don't want to damage your lights. So go ahead and make sure you pop them out, pull that up, because you do not want to damage your damn lights. But if you ain't got light, then you just skip this process. Keep that right there. Take that flathead I was telling you about. Put it right here. See how you pop that out? That's how them boys stealing your cars now. Pop that out. Then you'll come over here, put your hand, either you can put your hand up under here, or you can use a flathead like this, pry it up. That quick. Get your other side. Get the back side. And that's it. So you pop that up that quick. Now, down here, as you see with this card at right here, see that? You gonna have a little clip on your back side right here. You got to mash it in. And once you mash that clip in, you got to pull it out. See that, y'all? That's the clip. What you mashing is this right here. That's all you mashing. Mash that in and pull it straight down. Then you let it to the side. We won't get messed up. Take that T25 I was talking about, because you got a bolt right here. See that bolt? That's when you take that T25 and take that bolt out. Take that T25, put it on there, take it out. Make sure you hold your hand up under. You do not want to drop that damn screw. Do not lose that bolt, y'all. I'm trying to damn tell you, both. Take your, see the bolt? T25. That's it. Nigga, lay that all to the side right now. Once you do all that, you're gonna take this and pull straight up. That's all it is. And that's how it look up under there. For your bolts right here, you got two of them. You got one here, you got one right there. Get you an 8mm socket. Put your 8 on there. If I was y'all, I also put a little extension with your wrench. Take both of them out. Now that you got your screws out, you can move this. You can take the whole. So honestly, you don't have to go buy a neutral strap cover. I'm just trying to help the ones that don't want to spend a lot of money or just want to be cheap, whatever, just want to have some type of protection. You can go put this on here like we're doing in the process now, or you can just take this, take your cable off, and you can pull the whole cable out and take it loose, and then you won't have none of this at all. All this comes up, see? So you can take this whole thing right here, and you can pull this up and take that cable out right here. And then you ain't gotta worry about no neutral strap cover at all. But if not, go back to the process we was doing, y'all. You're gonna take this wire off. You can cut yours off, or you can just cover it up with a neutral strap cover. Now that we got everything loose like it's supposed to be, you're gonna put your neutral strap cover down. Do not turn it the wrong way. It don't go that way. It don't go that way at all. As y'all see, for it being on the left hand side, no. Flip it over, put it on the right hand side. So it goes straight over everything you're supposed to go over. You want to make sure them holes can be open. And that hole is open. See that? Now, when it comes to your strap itself, this piece right here, now it's up to you if you want to cut it off, leave it on there. Most people just tuck theirs in like this, because either way you can't do nothing with it after you put that down. I'll probably just put mine to the side or whatever. I'm gonna switch it anyway. I'm just showing y'all how to install it. I'm not leaving it like this. Y'all boys wild. I'm not, nah, hell no. You ain't about to watch the video and figure out how to get me. No sir. If you want to, you can go back with your original bolts that originally came with it. It's up to you. Just know if you do, it might be a little hard trying to get in there, all because the washer that's on it. Might have to take that washer off. The bolts, like I said, that came with it are the Phillips. But I'm not leaving Phillips and I'm changing mine out. Like I said, I'm just showing y'all how to put it on. So what you want to do is take your screws out, put your plate down, grab your screwdriver and just damn tighten everything back up. That's all you doing. And that's how you install a damn neutral strap cover. Right there. Ain't coming up. Ain't no ain't no getting that up, baby. Ain't no getting it up. By the time you try to pull all this up and rip that apart, I came outside and put that woo on your ass. Secure your damn car, man. Secure that damn thing. Hell wrong with y'all. Now you just do the repeat process of what I did to take it off. So all we're gonna do is grab your piece again, put it straight back down the way it was. So put this in first. Y'all see me? Y'all see me, right? The same hole. Y'all know how to put it in the hole, right? I hope y'all know how to put it in the hole. I hope. Put it in the hole. Push it all the way down. Once it's locked, pushed all the way down, you'll come back under here. Like I was showing y'all, that hole right there. See the hole? Put your screw back in that hole. Tighten it back up. And don't forget to plug everything back up, y'all. You want your stuff to work like it's supposed to now. Don't forget about this. Just till it snap in. See that? Good to go now. What y'all see? Neutral plate. Now when it comes to you putting your stuff back original, once you put your neutral strap plate on there, your piece right here will not go back on there, because the neutral strap plate sits so high once you cover the neutral strap. See? It will not go back in there. Yes, it's the right way. Don't talk junk. But as you see the prongs and everything down there, it will not allow it to go in. So you will not have this cover no more, all because you have the neutral strap cover. So that's a good thing. But when it comes to the yellow piece right here, this will still go back in there with no problems. See? Voila. And if you got LED lighting like I do, you just damn tuck your shit right back in there to where it's supposed to go. Plug and play, baby. Plug and play, baby. Everything is put back the original way it's supposed to be. Neutral strap cover is in place. See? Good to go. Everything's good. Now you just added an extra level of security to your car to keep somebody from stealing it. Like I told you earlier, that don't stop them. It just slow them down enough for you to get done what you need to get done to make sure you get your car secure, safe, or whatever the hell you need to do if you're in the house or whatever, to get your outside so you can make sure you protect your car. Stop letting people take y'all damn cars and do stupid stuff now. Make sure y'all get y'all neutral strap cover like I just demonstrated. Get y'all damn breaker bar for y'all wheel like this right here. And then shit, if you ain't got one yet, alarm system like CompuStart or damn a kill switch. It always does the trick. You can't stop them, but you can slow them down. But anyways, I appreciate y'all watching this video, man. If you ain't hit that subscribe button yet, stop playing with the kid and hit that subscribe button, man. What's wrong with you? Trying to bring this good content to you, baby. And I'll make sure I see y'all on the next video after that one, man. Y'all stay blessed. Love y'all. Bling, blah, wow, baby. Boom.